students, let's continue with the topic factors and multiples. Today we are learning a new concept, that is highest common factor, HCF, or it is also called as greatest common divisor, GCD. Before we start, we have to know what is a common factor. If two or more numbers have the same number as their factors, is called as a common factor. Now we are learning what is highest common factor. Okay, in this there are two methods. First method is listing method and the second method is prime factorization method. First we'll learn what is a listing method. Let's take one example. The question is, find the HCF of 25 and 45. Now the first step is you have to find the factors of these two numbers. Okay, so we will write factors of 25 are, what are the factors of 25? By now you know how to find the factors of a given number. So I will write here 1 25 is 25. Then in any other number is coming? Yes. 5 5 is 25. So I write 5. Any other number? No. And the next number is 25. Okay. Now I will write the factors of 45. Factors of 45. So 1 45 is 45. 3 15 is 45. Any other number? Yes. 5 9 is 45 and the 45 itself. Now here you have to first see which is the common factor here. Can you tell me which is the common factor here? Yes, it is 1 and 1. 5 and 5 are common factors here. Both are having the same numbers. Okay, now you know common factors of 25 and 45 are 1, 5. These are two common factors. The question is, find the highest common factor of 25 and 45. After finding the common factors, I have to find the highest common factor of 25 and 45. Which is the highest common factor? Now you got two factors here. Which is highest number here? It is 5. So the highest common factor of 25 and 45 is 5. We'll take one more example. Find the HCF of 24 and 32. So the first step here is finding the factors of 24 and 32. The factor of 24 are 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 6 4s are 24 and 24 itself. Factors of 32 are 1 32s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 2 16s are 32 and 32 itself. So we will see what are the common factors. The common factors of 24 and 32 are, which are the common factors here, students? 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 8 and 8, 4 and 4 are the common I will write here 1, 2, 8, 4 are the common factors of 24 and 32. And the final step is to find the highest common factor of 32 and 24 is, which is the highest common factor of 32 and 24? Here 8 is the highest common factor, so I write 8, or you can write answer as HCF is equal to 8. Now we will learn how to find highest common factor using prime factorization method. Students, in the previous class you all have learned how to do prime factorization of a given number. We'll take one example. Find the HCF of 48 and 56. There are two numbers, 48 and 56. We have to do prime factorization of both these numbers. So I write 48 here first and do a prime factorization of 48. So I have to start from the smallest prime number. So the smallest prime number is 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. I got 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. And 3 is a prime number itself, so 3 1s are 3. Next number is 56. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry forward. 2 8s are 16 because I got 16 here, so 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, and 7 is a prime number, so I write 7 1s are. Now you got all the prime factors. Prime factors of 48 and prime factors of 56. So I write it down here. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Below that I write prime factors of 56. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now you have to find which are the common prime factors. Which are the common prime factors? You will mark with the pencil here. So here 2 and 2 are common. 2 and 2 here is common. 2 and 2 common. Now this common number you will write only once. So what you will do is you write HCF is equal to 2. I write once. This 2 I will write once and this 2 I will write once. So I get 3 2's. So 2 into 2 into 2 will give me 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. I write 8 here. Answer HCF is equal to 8. Let's take one more example. Find the HCF of 44, 66, 110. Now here there are 3 numbers and we have to do a prime factorization of all these numbers. The first number is 44. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 1s are, so you got 11. Now 11 is a prime number, so 11 1s are 11. Next number 66. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Now 33. So I write 3 1s are 3 1s are. Now 11 is a prime number, so 11 1s are. 110. 2 5s are 10. So 1 carry forward, so 2 5s are 10. Now 55 is not divisible by 3. So I move on to the next prime number, that is 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are. Now I got 11. 11 1s are 11. Now you write all these numbers. 44 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11. I have written the prime factors of 44. Next is 66. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. 110. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. Now if you see here, which are the common prime factors here? 2 and 11. So I write here HCF is equal to 2. Only once I had to write, so 2 and 11. What is 2 into 11? 22. So HCF is equal to 22 is the answer. Now let's solve exercise 5.3, page number 68. Question A. Find the HCF by finding all factors. First one is 24, 36. So you have to do prime factorization of 24 first. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 36. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Write the prime factors here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Find the common prime factors here. 2, 2 and 3. So you write HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3, 12. So HCF is equal to 12. 12 is the answer. Let's do question 4. Fourth one. 14, 21, 28. 2 7s are 7 1s are. Next number is 21. Here you see 3 7s are is 21, 7 1s are 7. 28. 2 1s are 2 4s are, 2 7s are and 7 1s are. Write the common factors. 2 into 7. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. 28 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7. So you have to see which are the common prime factors. In this case 2 is here. 21 don't have 2. Here it is 2. So I do not take 2. You have to see all the common factors. So you have all the number should be in all three numbers. Okay, now there is no 2 here. So I move on to the next number is 7. 7, 7, 7. So this is the common prime factor. So only 7 I got. HCF is equal to 7 is the answer. Question B. Find the HCF by the prime factorization method. The first one is 49, 77. So I write 49 here. 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. Next number is 77. 7 1s are 7, 7 1 is 7. I got 11, 11 1s are. Write the prime factors here. 7 into 7. 77 is equal to 7 into 11. If you see here, only 7 is a common prime factor. So I write HCF is equal to 7 is the answer. Question B, seventh one. 42, 63, 84. So I take 42 first here. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Next number is 63. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Next number is 84. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. So 42 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Find the common factors here. So I get 2 here. There is no 2 in 63. So I move on to next number 3. I get 3 here, 3 and 3. Then is 7, 7, 7, 7. So HCF is equal to 3 into 7, which is 21. Therefore HCF is equal to 21 is the answer. Question C. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. First one is 225 and 315. So do it the same way. Now it is 225. So it is not divisible by 2. So I take the 3 prime number. 3 7s is 21. 1 is carried forward. 3 5s is 50. 75. I can try with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 25 is not divisible by 3, so I take 5. 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now I take 315. Now when it is a big number, if you are not sure, you can always divide a number and see. So 315 divided by 3 will be 105. So it is 315. It is not divisible by 2. So I took 3. 3 105 is 315. How I got 105? 3 1s are 3. Now 1 is smaller than 3, so I write 0 here. And 3 5s are 15. So next 3 3s are 9. 1 carried forward. 3 5s are 15. 5 7s are 35. And 7 1s are 7. You write the numbers here now. Prime factors of 225 are 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3 1 5 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now you have to see these are the common factors, prime factors here. 3 3 5. We write here HCF is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. So I get 3 into 3 is 9. 9 5s are 45. So HCF is equal to 45. See fifth one. 108, 144 and 60. So 108, 2 5s is 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 carried forward, 2 7s is 14. Now 27 is not divisible by 2. I move on to the next prime number, that is 3 9s I get 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 ones is 3. Next number is 144. 2 sevens are 14. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 sixes are 12. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Next number is 60. 2 threes are 6. Bring down 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 fives are 10. 3 fives are 15. 5 ones are 5. Now you write all the prime numbers, factors here. So 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 144 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Next number is 60. 2 into 2 into 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, we have to see which are the common prime factors here. 2, I got 1. 2. Any 2 here? No. So I get here 3, here 3 and 3 here. Any other number? No. So the HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, now 3. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 12. So HCF is equal to 12. This is the answer. Students, I hope you all have understood how to find highest common factor HCF by listing method and by prime factorization method. I'll be sending you all the work on WhatsApp. Please do the work neatly on your notebook.